All right, guys, in this video, I want to talk about making sales off of Facebook and posting and getting views. And, you know, what do you want to see your side business do? Hopefully, your side business can take off. And I just want to tell you about the opportunity that Facebook has got. I've got 25 listings on here and I'm getting thousands of views per day. And you could be doing the same just by posting one or two times a day. What you have for sale. You don't have to be trees or plants or whatever. I sell trees and plants on there. But you could do whatever you've got in your closet, whatever you've got in your house that you think is valuable that you don't use no more. Post that on Facebook Marketplace and then move toward what you're automatically good at collecting, what you're good at selling. Something that you're, I'm trying to think of the word here. Something that you're passionate about is the best things to sell online because that's what you want to talk to people about. So, this video is about getting seen on Facebook. Obviously, you got to get your products seen if you're going to sell them on Facebook. So, it's really not that hard. I get on groups around my surrounding counties, and I get on all the buy and sell groups. So then I can talk to people that's local. I get on, groups that's on my niche, which is like trees and plants and stuff like that. So, find your niche, find what you want to do, find what you want to talk about, find the community on here, and you'll have success. I hope this blesses you. God bless you. Peace.